Hello there, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you in this tutorial two tools that I use for 3D design that are very useful when you don't need to depend on an avatar because you're designing pieces that are not going to be hanging on the avatar like a bag or a hat. I'm Lucia. If you want to see more of my work, you can find me on Instagram as Lucia Tech and subscribe to this channel if you want to continue learning about technology applied to fashion. So I have here the main pieces of a bag that I'm creating. And the first thing I'm going to do is to choose one or two that are going to be the structure of everything else what I'm doing, which usually we use an avatar for. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to use these two and I'm going to apply freeze. Right click, freeze. So now I can simulate and everything else is going to fall apart and the frozen pieces are going to stay on place. Okay, so now I can sew everything else around these two pieces. Perfect. Once everything is sewn, I can simulate and the pieces are going to place around these two that are frozen. And now the frozen ones can be manipulated to improve the shape of the design. And the second tool that I'm going to show you is strengthen, which allow us to do this. I'm going to select all the pieces that are not frozen, right click and strengthen. And strengthen is going to give us a better shape, flatter and more organic, okay, and improve the volume of the bag in this case. Once everything is in the shape I like, I can select the pieces that are not frozen, apply unstrengthen and freeze. And then I'm going to unfreeze the other ones. Right click, unfreeze. And again, strengthen. So this is how using these two tools, I can get organic shapes for designs like this one. I hope you like it. Leave a comment if you found it useful and see you in the next tutorial.